Alright, a little bit later at night than I usually post, but my wife got me a lovely cold weather beanie with a inbuilt LED light. I thought I'd come out and test it, and lo and behold, I've had some success. So I replaced the gasket on the hydraulic control clubber. I had no other hint if the hydraulics would work or not, but let's see if I can pull this off. Yeah. So dropping a little bit underweight, but we can fix that. That's not a problem. The other thing is I've put the arm back on, and when I got this was completely seized. No spinning, no control. Had it sitting in diesel. I applied some heat to it with my neighbour, who did a fantastic job. Had it sitting in diesel for another month, and I put it on just to see how it goes with a bit of weight. And I thought, what the hell, I'll give it a spin, see what happens, and it's come free. Full adjustment, full movement. That's been seized for over 10 years, and I've got it free, so very happy with that. So we've got lift. It's running along quite nicely, in gear. Hydraulics are in, PTO is engaged obviously without the raised PTO attachment, but we have lift. This side, this is still seized in here, but that's an easy fix as opposed to getting that thread running. So even though it's a little late at night, not too late so I don't disappoint the neighbours, but really good progress on the back end. Very happy. Alright, I'm going to turn it off now so I don't breach any noise violations. Until the next one.